why did Chandrayaan 2 crashed on the surface of the moon and Chandrayaan 3 was succeeded in landing on the surface of the moon even after having the same structural and mechanism? Well, you can find the answer to this question and comment me down below, or else wait for me to reveal the answer after the facts of Chandrayaan. This also happened to you when somebody asks you questions on any of the things or any of the current affairs and you are not able to answer that question? Don't worry, you are not going to face the same problem with Chandrayaan 3 questions, as I am here with you to discuss 10 facts on Chandrayaan 3 in this video. So let's start. First of all, to new viewers, my name is Prince and I am from class 6. So today, let's start our video with the fact number 1. After Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3 is the third lunar mission of ISRO, which is also known as Indian Space Research Organization. Now let's move on to our fact number 2. Fact number 2 is the Chandrayaan 3 contains a lander known as Vikram and also a rover known as Pragyan. Now let us move on to our fact number 3, which is the lander and the rover of Chandrayaan 3, which were almost same to Chandrayaan 2, have launched on 14th of July 2023 and have landed on the surface of the moon on 23rd of August 2023. Let's move on to our fact number 4, which is going to be India became the 4th country after United Kingdom, after China and after Soviet Union, which we say today as Russia, to land on the surface of the moon, especially the South Pole, and do a soft landing. Now let's move on to our fact number 5, which is going to be the Chandrayaan 3 mission took a cost of $82 billion, or which we can convert it into the Indian rupees, which is also means if we convert it is 615 crore. So this was even less than the previous mission of Chandrayaan, which is Chandrayaan 2. Let's move on to our fact number 6, which is the Chandrayaan 3 rover. It has work to do on the moon, and it is calculated that the rover of the Chandrayaan 3 is going to stay on the surface of the moon and going to work functionally for 14 Earth days, or which we can say just as a lunar day. Okay. Fact number 6 states this ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 also has get a back support from NASA, or we can also say a passive. We can also say as a passive experiment from NASA, which is basically the space agency of United States. So the Chandrayaan 2 orbiter is now also revolving around the you can say the orbit of the moon. It is also now orbiting the moon. So what ISRO is going to do is basically the ISRO company is going to use the same, yes, you heard it right, the same orbiter which is now revolving to again get a support to the propulsional module for going again and again round and round the moon, or orbiting the moon and then making a soft landing. Chandrayaan 3's, along with including the propulsional module, has 7 payloads. Now what is payloads? Payloads means the machines, or we can also say the equipments, or we can also say them as the materials which are used for detecting and just functioning various functions on the surface of the moon, including, again I am saying, including the propulsional module, lander module, Pragyan, Vikram, and all. So guys, that were the 10 facts about Chandrayaan 3, and so I hope you liked this video, and for such more fun and interesting videos, be sure to subscribe my channel Prince Master Champ Education with Fun. I will be meeting you in my next video. Till then, bye bye everyone and have a good day ahead.